Hi, this is Kent Lau. I just stumbled upon these questions by a stranger, and what she asked is actually she want to add a prefix to each of the column that contains the name of the column. So let me just close and load first. So I assume that what she want is like that. She wants something like this: January, then followed by 16, maybe. Okay, 16. Oh no. Jeremy underscore 16, maybe. Yeah, maybe something like that. Jeremy underscore 16. And after that is January underscore 38. Is January underscore 37. So, and then here would be February underscore 95 and February underscore 50. So maybe that is what she meant. Maybe. So my solutions may be, but first I want to thank God for giving me the opportunity to do the research and come across this problem. So right from here, I actually do a transpose. Well, before that it was like this, and then I do a transpose. Okay, so with the transpose now is right here. So I use the several. I do a several research. As you can see here, I have done a few more research, and also my um, Power Query idea book. So I have research could be using the list transform and some other possibility values. How do you look through the list? So from here, you can also talk about text.combine. Um, there's just I just go through a lot of this, and so here's what we do. Right, I first added a custom column. Okay, a custom column is just basically turn this record into a list. So now it is now in the list here. Okay, after this it's really just a list, taking this whole row of data as a record and convert into a list. So why do I do that? Because the next step are important. Okay, the next step consists of many things, but we start with this here. So first I want to extract only the 4 item in the list. Let me just go through here again. Yeah, here. Okay, so you can see that each of these items, there are the first item is actually the name of the column, and the following 4 item is the value. So I would extract the last, except the first item. So how do I know that? I want to know the total count. To have the total count, I use the list.count, and then minus one. That would be give me 4. So I extract from the end using the list.last n. So with that in place, I now apply the transform feature. And what I do is that the transform basically check one by one of the item in the list. And before I can combine it, I need to turn each of the number into a text. Because I know the last 4 item is going to be number. In this case will be 4. It can be more than column. Then I will use the number dot to text to first convert into a text, then followed by combine it with a k. K is just a number as a text value. You can later combine it with the first item in the list. So with that, I successfully, I mean, I thank God that He gave me the ideas and strength to combine all this successfully. See that? So you can see that the K is right at the back, and it's now no longer read as a number, but text. So as you can see, this is really the solutions, the possibility, and now I just double click here. Let's see if I can just join the. Since I know there's an item on the list that's required is from the list, so I'm just going to call that. So what do I want to combine? I want to combine for everything here. I want to combine the one in the custom column. Okay, so it's going to be the first item. So list dot first, and basically it's from the custom column. Okay, and then I join it with this thing, see whether it works that way, and then click OK, and let's see. Oh, that's an error. Why is that so? List dot first in the list will be a custom, but it doesn't join with the item. Okay, and we join this thing, so it doesn't work. So as you can see, that is still a lot of things to work with. So if I just use K, then I do get a list here, K. But if I want to extract the first item, which is generally, perhaps I want to try another add column first. So there is a first item, okay, comma. Let's see what I get. Okay, it is a generally here. The thing is that it doesn't tell you that. It does give me a value here. Now if I just change it to a text value, what we get? Okay, table.transform column into text type. Okay. So it's kind of like pending on this here K, and with this item. So what if I just did I just add a custom column from here first. Yeah, insert another step. This dot, yeah, list the first item from the custom column, close parentheses. Well, it's just basically the column label. Click OK. Now I should getting this. So when I go here, I should have a list. So as you can see now, I have a additional step. It's called column label. So if I can just combine this, will it be working? Nope, it's still error. So you can combine this value somehow. So as you can see that maybe you want to use the conversion. So again, you need to do a research, Power Query, convert to text value. Is it number.text or text.from? Okay, it could be text.from then. A value any culture. So okay, maybe just text.from. Okay, let's see whether that works. So you can see there's an error here. So we double click here and let's see whether we can just call it from text.from any value. Okay, as you can see that. Could it be this will help? Let's see. Nope, it's still error. So we still need to pending on that item, which is not there. Oh yeah, actually I don't need to have this item, this column. I don't need this. I don't need to extract this because I can use back this column 1. But still, it is not quite right. I don't need this thing. Still an error. But if I change that to K, this is possible. But that is not possible. Why is it so? Something pending on it. Now suppose that this works, then we have a lot of things that we can do with it. As you can see here, I just combine with a comma, click OK. Suppose you want to append just a K beside it. You can see that all is now combined with a K. But we are pending on how to get the value here. Okay, so if you get this all right, then we can just delete this, remove the column, and then split it by the limiter. Click OK. And with this, we can go back to transform, transpose again, back. So you can see that the value is actually added there. But still pending on why is there error that we cannot get that value here. Okay, I hope this is share some light to you that how to use the transform, list dot transform. Okay, still in the process. So thank you for these questions. I thank God for these questions, and stay tuned. God bless you. God bless Asia. I thank Jesus for the ability to take the challenge. Give me the strength to continue research. All glory to Him. Jesus.